get a lot of questions asking about how to do the ribbing, particularly on the Norway hat, which is basically a ribbed hat all the way around. As a beginner, it's quite easy to make a few mistakes, but I'll give you a little bit of guidance as to what we're going to do. So when you're ribbing, you are alternating between knit and purl. And the most important thing to remember is that when you knit, your yarn sits at the back. When you're purling, your yarn sits at the front. So when we're doing our rib, we want to knit 2, purl 2. So we are going to keep our yarn at the back, knit 1, knit 2. Before we can go to purl, we need to bring that yarn back to the front. So bring it between the needles, and then we're going to do our purl. 1, 2, and we're going to continue that pattern, knit 2, purl 2. So to do our purls, we need to bring the yarn back to the back of the needles. Don't forget to bring it between the needles. 1, 2, and again bring it between the needles for our purl stitches. Oh, these needles are so long. There we go. So we've now managed to do a row of knit and purl, knit and purl. There you go.